Marigold, also commonly known as guledaudi, is a plant that can bring the color of sunshine to your garden, as well as butterflies, bees, ladybugs, and other beneficial insects. Not to mention, marigolds are a great companion in your vegetable garden and can help protect your veggies from predators and pests. There are varieties available from 6 inches to 4 feet tall and 6 inches to 2 feet wide. Marigolds are available in shades of orange and yellow, some with highlights of red, gold, copper, and brass. There are approximately 50 species of marigold, but the three most common are French marigold, African marigold, and Signal marigold. Let's get to the caring part. Provide your plant with full day of direct sunlight to get maximum blooming. Placing in indirect light will cause these plants to die off slowly. Marigolds aren't too picky about their soil, but will be their best in moderately fertile, well-drained soil. If planted in clay soil or an area that doesn't drain well, they may not perform as expected. Marigolds grown in ground generally don't require any fertilizer. In fact, if fertilizer is applied during the growing phase, it can boost foliage growth at the expense of flower production. Marigolds in containers can benefit from a diluted liquid fertilizer watered in occasionally. A well-drained soil is necessary to avoid root rot, so plant it in a well-drained soil to avoid the dying of your plant. It is best to water marigolds at the base of the plant and not from overhead. The densely double flower heads will tend to rot with excess moisture. Allow the soil to dry somewhat between waterings, but do water regularly in high heat or dry weather. Marigolds growing in containers should be watered daily, as containers dry out quickly. To save seeds, allow the flower heads to fade and dry intact on the plant. When fully dried, remove the petals and shake out the seeds. Not all flower heads will produce seeds, but most should do. Remember that hybrids will not come true from saved seeds. Pests such as leaf miners or spider mites may also be a problem. Interestingly enough, marigolds also do their fair share of repelling several types of insects. According to the New York Botanical Garden, marigolds can help keep away mosquitoes, fight squash bugs, whiteflies. To avoid pest attack, you can always use neem oil. Spray deadheading will improve the appearance of the plant and encourage further blooming later in the season. Pinching young plants will help promote bushier growth. Pinch and remove new growth at the top of the plant as close as possible to the next leaf nodes on the stem. So thanks for watching this video till the end. I hope you got to learn something about this plant. I'll see you guys in another video. Take care of yourself and your plants. Goodbye.